All right, folks, and we're back, here. Matrix test review video number 2. Use matrices A, B, and C to find the following. So honestly, just rewrite them and add them up. You could edit 3 matrices, 3 different 2x2s, and then type this in. But this is pretty quick. You have no actual multiplication, true A times B, B times C type of deal. So I wrote A, I wrote C, and I added them up. I wrote B, I wrote C, and I subtracted them. I wrote B, and I multiplied all those numbers, elements, by -4. A plus B plus C just correspond. You do 7 plus 6 plus -4. That's how we got that 9. There's C, multiply everything in it by -3. And on 7... here's B, multiply everything in it by 7, and here's C, multiply everything in it by 5, and then add them up. All right. Find each product if possible. Again, you can use the calculator here. This is the answer. You do row by column, row by column, row by column, row by column. And what I mean by that is -4 times -6 plus 2 times -3. That is the second row, first column. That's how I got 18. Again, your calculator can help you. Here you got a 3x2 and a 2x2, so we can do it. It's going to be a 3x2. So first row by first column, 3 times a -5 plus 4 times 7. That's how we get the 13. And then the third row, second column would be this and this. -5 times 9 is a -45 plus 2 times 2. So I get -41. Again, your calculator can help you. And then here is why you don't want to solely rely on your calculator, because this is a 3x2 and this is a 1x3. They're not going to multiply. If you type this in as A, type that in as B, and did A times B, your calculator will say error mismatched dimensions. 12 and 13, you can definitely find the determinant by just doing the cross product. -3 times a -5 minus 3 times -2. 6 times 11 minus 10 times 4. Then use the matrix, use the determinant there. Use your calculator to find the determinant there for sure. Okay, again, you just rewrite the first 2 columns and do that, minus that times that. So that's honors algebra 2. All right, almost done here. Determine whether the product is defined. If yes, state the dimensions. So that 7 is equal to that 7. So yes, AB is going to be a 5. Those outer numbers, 5 by 9. 22. Those 4 and the 4 equals. So yes, CD is defined. It's going to be a 2 by 3. And then you can't multiply, so you can add them together, but 1 does not equal 4 there. So EF is not defined. Not defined. All right, 24, what you're going to do is you're going to put these 2 together and then multiply everything in it by 8. So you're going to add them up, those 2 matrices, and multiply everything in it by 8. Sweet. Whoa, 25, a lot going on. So first off, you need to multiply everything. Just kind of think about the order of operations. You multiply everything in this matrix by 5. Then you're going to add those 2 matrices together. And then finally, you can multiply everything by a -3. All right. Then I believe the last page here, I've got some things I want to show you. Say the dimensions of each matrix. That first matrix is a 4 by 3. This last matrix is this next one is a 1 by 5. This one, so that is just a row matrix. This is a column matrix. It's 6 by 1, 5 by 2, 2 by 4. Then I made a mistake on 31 through 32. You need to, given the system, you write the augmented matrix. Given the system, write the augmented matrix. All right? Write each system of equations as an augmented matrix, and don't solve them. Folks, that is the second video for your matrix test review. This is Yak Math Videos signing out.